Good morning, Schwabies. Today's story is called Snow Day in honor of our first day of December, our first day with snow this year. The book is available on Epic. If you don't have an account already, see if you can get your family to help you sign up. It is free, it is easy, and there are lots of great books that you can read online or that you can watch the movie of, and they're all free and available for you. And today we have Snow Day. Did you hear that? Did the weatherman just say what I thought he did? Did he say snow? Oh, please, let it snow. Lots and lots of snow. Look at the sky. I can feel it in the air. We're getting snow tonight for sure. Just imagine, so much snow, even the buses can't go. No, so much snow, even the teachers can't go. Yes, a snow day. You know what that means? No alarm clock ringing. No one saying, time to get up. No one shouting, hurry, you're going to be late. No school. I can't wait. Tomorrow we'll have a PJ day. We'll pile on the sofa and snuggle under that old blue blanket. We'll sip hot chocolate from giant snowman mugs. We'll stay inside warm and cozy while the snow drifts down in soft white heaps. Look out the window. It's spitting snow. I hope it snows a foot deep. I hope it snows. The snow piles up to the top of the steps. I hope there's so much snow we can't even open the door. No school for sure. I need a snow day. A day to play outside, a day to read my new book, a day to watch TV. Did you hear that? The weatherman said it's getting colder. Maybe we'll get 2 snow days. We've got to get ready. Where are those fuzzy mittens? What about the snow boots? We can build a snow fort down by the walk. This time let's make it 2 feet, no, 4 feet tall, and stack a zillion snowballs inside. Whoa, look at that sky. Snow is falling like a bazillion goose feathers. Yippee! Wonderful, amazing! We can't go snow. Where'd we put the sleds? Come on, help me bring them up. We'll go sledding in Mrs. Cope's field. The sleds will shoot down that hill. I know. We should go to bed. Tomorrow's a big snow day. Good night, everyone. Sleep tight, everyone. We're building a snowman tomorrow. Say, what's that noise? Is it morning already? Do I hear kids on the street? We got to get out there and build our fort. Open the curtain, see what's going on. Look at all those kids bundled in coats and hats and mittens and boots and book bags? What happened to all that snow? Yikes! We have to hurry. There's no time to waste. Brush your teeth, wash your face, comb your hair, throw on your clothes. We've got to go. Wait, I forgot my books. Wait, where are my keys? Zoom, zip, scoot, pile in the car. I can't be late. I'm the teacher. Drat. I really needed a snow day. Well, boys and girls, today is not exactly a snow day, but it is a cold day, a day with snow, a day to enjoy hopefully going outside and playing just a little bit. Hope you enjoyed that story. Look for another one on my Schoology, the library Schoology page tomorrow.